Legal Matter Speed Series Exercise number 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. The respondent was appointed as a sub-inspector of police in 1962. While such posted, a departmental action was initiated against him under Rule 3 of the Tamil Nadu Police Subordinate Services Discipline and Appeal Rules, and on being found guilty, he was dismissed from service by an order. That order was set aside in appeal by the Inspector General of Police on the ground that in conducting the inquiry there was violation of the prescribed procedure. The inquiry officer was directed to proceed further with the inquiry from the stage it was found to be bad. As the order of dismissal was set aside, the respondent was reinstated in service. He was posted as sub-inspector in charge of police station. He joined the duty at that police station and proceeded on casual leave. Instead of resuming duty, the applied for leave and thereafter went on extending it continuously till he was placed under suspension. As he was remaining continuously absent on the ground of health, the superintendent of police by his memo directed him to appeal before the district medical officer for being presented before the medical committee for examination as regards his fitness to return to duty. He did not appear before the district medical officer on that day. The superintendent of police therefore by an memo directed him to appear the district medical officer for the said purpose. That memo was served upon the respondent. The district medical officer by a letter requested the superintendent of police to direct the respondent to duty appear before the medical board at government headquarters hospital for medical examination. A communication to that effect was also served upon the respondent. As the respondent did not appear for medical examination, the district medical officer by his letter informed the commissioner of police about non-compliance of the said directions. His non-appearance and non-compliance with the order of the deputy superintendent of police were reported to Inspector General of Police. Considering it as an act of misconduct, the respondent was suspended and a departmental proceeding by issuing a charge memo was initiated against him. The said charge memo could not be served upon the respondent earlier than as he was not available. The inquiry officer concluded the inquiry and found him guilty, and on the basis thereof an order of dismissal was passed against him by the disciplinary authority. He challenged that order of dismissal by filing a writ petition in the High Court of Madras. That petition was subsequently transferred to the Tamil Nadu Administrative Tribunal. The respondent challenged his dismissal on the ground that the inquiry and the dismissal order were vitiated as the disciplinary proceedings were initiated against him by an order subordinate in rank to the disciplinary authority. It was also challenged on the ground that, but not appearing before the medical board, the respondent cannot be said to have disobeyed the order of the superior authority, and in any case that did not amount to a misconduct of grave nature. It was also challenged on the ground that the inquiry officer by denying him the documents which he wanted deprived him of a reasonable opportunity to defend himself. Stop.